this view of openness, of expansion, of emptiness about reflecting on ourselves, of letting go of all our ambitions, even for enlightenment, even for divine union, and realizing that this is God's plan, his determination, and that even if we fail again and again, his determination is going to succeed. And if all else fails, death will do the job. And so the dying process is an essential part of being able to die, because this is the great moment of life, the fulfillment, the movement into absolute freedom and unity with God, at least in God's intention. And so the dying process, even though painful, is taking away all the obstacles to human freedom so that we can really be equal to God and co-creators. Now, the idea of co-creation begins in this life once we've entered into the spiritual marriage, and still more, but still very rare, into the unity consciousness in which our every action, however small, is moved by the Spirit rather than by any residue of human self-consciousness, although the habits of life continue to remain.